So, hello everyone. My name is Sankesh Yadav from Data Science, roll number 3424. So, let us see the code. The code I had made is of quiz games. We will play a quiz game here. So, the code is written C++ language, the most interesting language as we know. So, first to add a file that is include iostring, include conio.h, then using nature std. Now, int main, it's now let's see string questions. Now, array is made of question. In this, all 10 questions are printed. Now for next we will see the 10 MCQs as it is a quiz, so the MCQs will be also available. So for first question this 4 MCQ, second question this 4 MCQ, third question this options and everything. So the array next is correct options array. Now the question is, so computer needs a correct options also. So here is a correct options for the each question that is present here. So first option, second correct option, third correct option, fourth correct option, everything. So now we had created a variable that is user option, that is user will take as we can array, sorry, it's an array. We had created a user option that user will give an option to the computer, and all the initial value of the options is 0. Now afterwards we will see why it is 0. So let us say the next one is total question, that is 10. Next OP, that is option we can say. So now let us see the conducting quiz. Now conducting is quiz for first for loop is for loop int I. Initially we are initialize the I equals to 0. I is smaller in total questions, and I plus 1, that is increment of I. Then question will be printed that question as I plus 1. Initially I value 0 and 0 plus 1 1 means question number 1. Now question 0. Question 0 means from here. Yes, from here question 0 means first question. So let us see where's the for loop. Where's the for loop here? Yeah, so here's the for loop. So question now, and for the question first option here return first in this side, and question question 0 means first option. Question 0 to 1 second option. Question 0 to third option. Question fourth option. So next is here all questions are printed, all 4 options are printed. Select I or 0. We'll see 0 to skip, how we'll skip it. And this is 1 to 4 select option. Now it's user option that we had created there. We'll accept the value from a user and we'll accept the answer from you. Now this for loop will stop here as it will print all the questions. Now let us see uh, printing question options. Now your correct option, that means if we are written MCQs, all the correct answer will be shown here. So first for loop int I equals to 0. I is smaller than total question, and I plus plus I increment, then same thing like in question I plus 1. It will print first question, all 4 options, then it will print the answer. If user option I is equals to 0, if user had put I user option is 0, then what happens? We will see here. Just so printing correct options. So here user option I equals to 0, you skip the question. If I equals to 0 means if user had entered 0, then he had skipped the question. Else it will show the correct option. So options we had made a string array. We had made a string array here of the options here. Then we had made a correct options here. So let us see how it is. You had selected option I means what we had selected for MCQs, that will be shown here, but the correct option will be printed here. So it will match whether it is whether these both are matching. And here see out and I think so it is a mistake, so remove it, not a more issue. And render also we don't need it, so remove it. Okay, so it's a mistake. So see out render. Now we are printing the question, printing the results. Now if MCQs are, if we had written the questions, we had given the answers, so the results should also be declared. So here we'll declare the results. See out result. We had created a variable that is correct equals to 0, incorrect equals to 0, and skipped equals to 0. So for int I, for first for loop is so for int I equal to 0, int is smaller than total questions, and I will be increment by 1 or I plus plus. If user option is not equal to 0, that is if it is this question is not skipped, so if correct options is matching the user option what user had given it, then it is a correct answer. Else it's not correct answer, it will be added in incorrect answer. Else if user option is 0, it will be skipped. Or if user had not written any option, if you had enter nothing and enter and press the enter, so as we know initial value of every user option is 0, so by defaultly it will skip the question. So it will print the result total question will be printed correct. How many options are correct, it will print the options incorrect, then it will print the skipped, how many questions are skipped. So and all the stuffs are mentioned. So I think the code is understood. So now let us try to execute it, compile. Yes, zero errors warning and everything. So now run it. So one sec. So run it. Yes. So first, which of the following is a tricontinental? Suppose we select as option 2 track. So now see first option. We had selected the option. Now it will print the second question. Fastest food burger. Famous fast food restaurant company Burger King belongs to which country? As we obviously everyone must knowing. So let us see first. I think so America. So Office of Strategical Service was old name of which intelligence company? I think so CIA. The first person to draw a map of Earth. Everyone knows that Alexander Anaximander. Sorry. So let us select something Anaximander. We'll see. Who led the first step on the moon? As we all know that Neil Armstrong. Who is a Chinese parliament? As I don't know, but let us see. Biden is I think so 3. Captain of America. Everyone knows Washington DC. Vadiram resembles the correct option on the surface of Mars is located in. We don't know, so random option will be selected. And the last question, Borneo Island in which ocean? I think so it is in Pacific Ocean. So here, uh, from here, it will show all the correct options. Here till we are written the answers. From here we start a correct option. So which option is the tricontinental? The we have selected the child, and the correct option is also same. So it's correct answer. So famous food restaurant Burger King belong to which country? So all we have noted America. We have selected also America, and the correct option is also America. So it's too good. Office of Strategical Office is which was old name of which intelligence agency? That is CIA. We have selected also CIA. So very good. It's also correct. So the first person to draw a map of Earth, and it's matter. So all are correct. All are correct. All are correct. I think so. One is wrong. So which one is wrong? Let's see. Pacific Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Pacific Ocean. Let us see which is wrong. Yes. And here. So we had it had printed result. Total question 10. Correct is 9. Incorrect is 1. And skipped is 0. We had skipped 0 question. We had because we had submitted all answers. So here you can see the all the answers and the questions both. So as it is it as all this. So this is a code. I think so it's a correct code. So let us see.